Amazon tonight getting sued after a couple was attacked by a driver delivering Amazon goods on Staten Island. The whole thing captured on a home security camera. The attack nearly 4 years ago, and the driver pleading guilty. Now it gets tricky because Amazon says it's not responsible. Well, tonight, an exclusive interview with the now 83-year-old woman who got the worst of the beating. Here's Eyewitness News reporter Stefan Kim.
It was a vicious attack against a 79-year-old woman caught by a home security camera. In this exclusive interview with Eyewitness News, Betty Coughlin and her husband Michael say it started when they arrived at their Staten Island home and this van was blocking their driveway. Betty says she asked the driver to move, but it didn't go well. She called a 1-800 number on the bumper to report the driver. That's when things turned physical.
I went like this to her. I said, "Your supervisor's on the phone. He can hear you." And that's when she threw me to the ground.
Michael then came to his wife's defense and got punched in his face. Betty suffered a partially torn rotator cuff, bicep, and hamstring, among other injuries. It happened in May 2018. That driver was charged with felony assault and pled guilty. She was delivering packages for Amazon, but worked for a third-party vendor called Same Day Delivery, or SDD. SDD terminated the driver, but the Coughlins say Amazon should be liable too.
Amazon requires the SDD employees to wear Amazon uniforms, to have branding of the Amazon logo and insignia on the vans. The 1-800 number that Mrs. Coughlin called in, they answered Amazon.
Family attorney Michael Gervasi says Amazon has argued this is on SDD, so the Coughlins are now in appellate court trying to make their case. Dmitriy Shakhnevich is an independent attorney not affiliated with this case. He says the Coughlins would have a stronger argument if their injuries were the result of an accident.
It's very hard to say that the driver has some propensity for violence.
We reached out to Amazon but haven't heard back. In the meantime, the Coughlins say they still lie in bed and see flashbacks of the attack as if it were yesterday.
I close my eyes, I can see her right in my face.